right, and we're back. Install a UPS. You are the IT administrator for a small corporate network. The area around your office complex is under construction. The power company informed you that there may be short interruptions to the electrical service that could last up to 15 minutes. You need to add a UPS to the workstation and monitor in Office 1 so that the work can be saved in the event of an outage. A UPS protects against over and under voltage conditions. The battery included with the UPS provides backup power in case the main power is lost. In this lab, your task is to add a UPS to your computer, plug the UPS into the wall outlet and turn it on, plug the computer and monitor power cables into the appropriate UPS outlets, plug the printer into the appropriate UPS outlets, connect the network cables through the UPS to the computer. The cable from the wall connects to the in port. Connect the USB cable to the UPS and the computer, power on the monitor and then the computer, unplug the UPS from the wall outlet, do the monitor, do the computer and monitor still have power? All right, let's score the lab. Start the lab. Ooh, I'm tired. And we're loading. Hmm. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Alright, still loading. Okay, so in this lab, add a UPS to your computer outlets. Boom, UPS right there. I'm gonna plug you into the wall. Plug the UPS into the wall. Okay, I did that. Turn it on. Alright, you're on. Plug the computer and monitor power cables into the appropriate outlets. Alright, so we need to plug you. You're gonna go battery saver since you're the computer. Monitor, we're gonna go, and we'll go battery saver. And the printer, excuse me. Oh, I'm tired. Alright, so the printer does not need to go into battery saver, so you just go to surge protection. Connect the network cable through the UPS. So we need to see the side of it. Let's zoom in here. And zoomy zoom. All right. And so this goes, unplug it from the wall, plug it into the UPS. And then we need another cable to why am I spacing? Oh, it goes here. And then plug into the wall. I completely zoned out in that quick little second. All right. Connect the network cables through the UPS to the computer, the cable. Connect the USB cable. All right, so we need to connect you here. And then let's zoom out and connect you to the computadora. All right. Power on the monitor and then the computer. So front, power on the monitor, and the computer. And we're in. Unplug the UPS from the wall outlet. Do the computer and monitor still have power? Let's see. Let's load it first. Alright, and let's go to the office and unplug the UPS. Let's see what happens. And we still have power. Let's check our answers. Oh, I'm missing something. Wait, huh? Keep working. I thought we were connected. Side. Oh, oops. You're not connected to the computadora. One of y'all's not connected. Who is not connected? No, they're both connected. Did I mess something up? What did I mess up? Are these in the wrong places? Maybe they're in the wrong place. There it is. Okay. Oops, my bad, y'all. I put it in the wrong plug. Okay. Square Lab. Place the UPS in the workspace. I can't speak today. So we're just gonna stop speaking. I will include the explanation with the upload and we're done because I can't talk.